Hey guys, it's Gavin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a server with Hamachi. And this is good if you have like a private, what is it called, private IP, because to change it to public, you have to call your like internet provider and get them to change it, and sometimes it costs money. So Logmein to Hamachi is a good way to just like have a 1 to 2 or maybe like 1 to 10 person server for Minecraft. So what you first want to do is get Logmein Hamachi, and I have two monitors up right now, so it just popped up there. But so type log me in Hamachi, and I'll put a link in the description for this too. But for right now, you could follow along if you want. And you will want to download the unmanaged version, and you have to make sure to accept the conditions of use. Download that. And there's also a way to do it on Windows, but this tutorial is mainly for Mac, so then you'll want to open that up. I've already downloaded, so it might not work, but just click continue, and then once you install it, all you have to do is type in up in your spotlight log me in Hamachi, or log, and then you'll want to open that up. It'll start out as just having a power display sign, and so it will start out like this, and there won't be any IP. It'll just say offline, and you'll want to click it, and it'll turn on the connection. Takes a little bit. The first time I think it's a lot faster, but it's just working like this, I guess. And you'll have two options here. It'll say create a network or join an existing network. And if you want to join a friend's network, you just click join an existing network. But if you want to create one, create a network, you'll make a network ID. So test server 1, and then you'll put in a password. So maybe anything you want. I'm pretty sure it's cap sensitive. So party create. Oh, already been taken. So there's a lot of them that have already been taken because a lot of people use it. And so you'll want to remember your password and the name of the server, so you can give it to your friend if you want to join it. And now what you want to do for the actually creating the server is create a new folder, title it server. I guess SMP, anything you want, and you'll want to go on to Minecraft, or if you want to get the latest server, you can go to the Minecraft forums, and they have a post right here that gives you the RCT. It's the release candidate. So what 1.1 or 1.0 the actual game of Minecraft will be. So you can, it says server hosters can get the server jar here, and you'll need to actually download the minecraft.jar and put it in there in your bin folder if you want to play on it. So we'll do that one, and if you want to do 1.8.1, you can just download it right here. And so what you want to do now is highlight and copy this, which is running it with less RAM, because at least my computer can't handle doing it the normal way. If you have a lot of RAM, you probably could, but I can't. So exit out of that, and you'll want to put the jar Minecraft underscore server.jar into your new folder you created. Then open up a terminal window. Oops, typed it in wrong. Doesn't matter. Yeah, it does. And type in cd, and you want this on your desktop, so, and then drag the folder into here, click enter, and that will change the directory, so you're like specifically targeting that folder. And you'll want to paste in this, and you can leave it like this. This means how much RAM will use, and for mine at least, I don't know if this actually makes it more laggy if you have more people, but for me it works with 512, and I think that's 512 megabytes it can go up to when you're running the server, so it leaves a lot more RAM to actually play the game and do stuff like that. And I just usually host a like 2 or 3, sometimes 4-person server, and it works fine like this, and my game runs a lot faster and smoother. So this is what I like to do. You can keep it at 1024, and I'm pretty sure if you want to make it smaller, you could go to 256, but I'd recommend 512. And then you can run it, click enter, and it will run it. It says it's not enough RAM. Don't pay attention to those warnings, it will keep going. And it will prepare your spawn area and do all that, set up the server. And I guess I could probably do a little, speed it up. Okay, now that it's done, what you want to do is type in stop. And usually I found that if once you're running the server, you'll want to type save all before you click stop, because it seems to sometimes not save the game. I don't know. But so you just type stop, then close this down. And now what you'll want to do is open up the servers.properties, and it will automatically open the text edit. And you'll have an IP right here, the first one, and that's your Hamachi IP. So you want to go to server IP right here, and after equals, don't do any spaces, just type it in directly as it says. So 5.16, and yours will be different, 0.60.173, and this is what you'll log into when you're logging into your server. Click command save, or just go up to file, save, exit out of that, and now, no, you actually want to keep Hamachi open. And now you can go onto your server. Oh, I guess Minecraft has that now. Didn't used to. And you can log in. Then I've already put in a server, but you just put it in with the same IP. And of course you have to have the server running. So you can just stop like this, and every time you'll have to go like this. It's a little annoying, but I forgot to do 512, but it's fine. I'll show you guys how it works. Once it loads up. There we go. And log in again. And you can join your server. And anybody else can right now too. But I find it's much easier to make. You can make an executable file, and then it'll just start the server automatically. So I'll show you how to do that. So type stop, or save all if you want. And then you can also type save on, which automatically saves, but type stop. Close that. And now we are going to open terminal. And you're going to want to type in cd space and do this, and then you can just, this is just how it will save. So type that in and then do nano and whatever you want the file to be called. I'll just title it server start or SMP start. I already have one called server start. And you'll get into this window, and this is where you type in the command. So what you'll first want to do is change the directory. So type cd and then drag your folder onto it, enter, and type in the start command. And I'm going to change this to 512. You can test mess around with it a little bit and see which one works for you best. If 1204 or 1024 works better, you can do that. And you'll want to do control. That's what the arrow, or the up arrow means. So control X, and then this is asking if you want to save it. So yes, and then it will ask if you want to write the file name as SMP start. Click enter, and now you'll have a text file. So now you want to type in chmod +x and your file name, so SMP start, and you have to do quotations around the SMP start because it's 2 words, and if you just type SMP start, it will mess up because it thinks that they're individual files. Then you'll click enter, and it will now be an executable file, so you can open that up. It'll automatically open up your world in terminal, and you'll be ready to go that way. So I'm just going to close this. And I wanted to change the icon because it's not that cool of an icon, so I went on and just typed in icons just I think I did a world icon, so just world icons. Open up whichever one you like. Any icon you find that you like, you can use. Just drag that. Whoops. I don't know why that just did that. Full image. Oh, don't get anything with writing because then it won't work. But let's see. Oh, there's a lot of icon websites that you can click on that have many icons. Just choose which one. You can see I already have one down here, and I just like the higher resolution. I don't think you have to have it, but and download as mainly any file, but just do the ICO one, and then you'll want to go into preview or whatever image browser you have. Select all of it, Command A, and then Command C to copy it. Now go into your SMP Get Info. Click on this top left icon and click Command V. And now you have the icon changed. And you can put this in the folder if you want and just drag it down. And you can't put it into your actual doc because I think it's a document. So you have to drag it right into this little bar, but it works fine. And then when you click it, it opens it up. And you're ready to go. You can open up Minecraft. Log in. Click on your server. And play. And your friend can join and you can just play on the server together. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.